Yeah, it's good day to you all. You are welcome to Prince Eastward Online Maths class. Today, we want to find a solution to this question. It is if alpha and beta are the root of the equation 2x squared minus 3x1 equals to 0. Find the value of alpha squared beta plus beta squared over alpha. Now, solution. The question is 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Now the first thing you need to do here is to get our sum of root and product of root. And that can be determined when you get our constant first, which is our constant A, our constant B, and our constant C. This will help us to find the sum of root of quadratic equation. Now the value for A is your coefficient of x squared. The coefficient of your x squared, which is the highest power of your variable, will always be your value for constant A. And here, the coefficient here is 2, so our A is 2. Then our B is the coefficient of our x, which is x raised power 1, and that is minus 3. And the C is the constant, which is what? Plus 1, and that is same thing as 1. So we can, since we have gotten the constant, we can now find our sum of root and product of root. The formula for sum of root is alpha plus beta equals to minus b over a. And what is our b? Minus 3. That will minus 3 over our a is 2. And that gives us minus times minus, that's plus, that's 3 over 2. So that's our value for alpha plus beta, which is sum of root. So we get our product of root, which is alpha times beta, and that gives us c over a. That's the formula for product of root is c over a. What is our c? Our c is 1 and our a is 2. So our product of root is 1 over 2, while our sum of root is 3 over 2. So now, let's simplify the question. We have alpha squared over beta plus beta squared over alpha. We have to put this in terms of sum of root and product of root. So the first thing you are going to do here is find the LCM. LCM of beta and alpha will give us alpha beta or beta alpha. We divide alpha beta divided by beta, that will give us alpha times alpha squared, that is alpha cube. Then alpha beta divided by alpha, that will be beta. Beta times beta squared, that will be what? Plus beta cube. Now if you look at this, is alpha cube plus beta cube over alpha over beta. And I said you have to put this expression in terms of sum of root and what? Product of root. So what are you going to do? You have to look for the symmetric root for alpha cube plus beta cube, and that is open bracket alpha plus beta raised to power 3 or raised to power 3 minus 3 alpha beta into bracket alpha plus beta all over alpha beta. So the symmetric root for alpha cube plus beta cube is open bracket alpha plus beta cube minus 3 alpha beta open bracket alpha plus beta close bracket. So now if we check this now, the expression now, they are all in terms of sum and product. We just slot in our value for sum of root and the product of root. So our sum of root is 3 over, that is 3 over 2 raised by 3 minus 3 into bracket product of root 1 over 2. Then the sum, that is 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. So, and this will give us 3 raised power 3 or 27 over 4 over 27 over 8. 3 raised power 3, 27, 2 raised power 3, that's 8, minus 3 times 1, that's 3, times 3, that's 9. That is 9 over 2 times 2, that's 4, divided by 1 over 2. So we then find the LCM of the numerator first. Numerator, that is 8. LCM of 4 and 8, it's 8. 8 divided by 8, that's 1. 1 times 27, that's 27, minus 8 divided by 4, that's 2. 2 times 9, that is 18, divided by this mixed division. So I change it to 1 over 2. Then we then have 27 minus 18, that will give us 9 over 8, divided by 1 over 2. Then we change the division sign to multiplication. Then we then have 9 over 8 times the number here we interchange, the fraction interchange. So 2 will go up, then 1 will come down, and that is 2 over 1. So we then cut 2 here 1, 2 here 4, and that gives us 9 over 4. So our final answer is 9 over 4. So that is the value for our alpha square over beta plus beta square over alpha. Thank you for watching.